friends. Today, we're going to meet one of the smartest animals in the forest, the raccoon. Raccoons are nocturnal animals that are active at night. Right now, it's coming down from the tree to find some delicious fruit. Raccoons not only eat fruit but also insects and small animals. Isn't the raccoon's foraging look so cute? Raccoons have a habit of washing their food in water. After cleaning up like this, they spend time with their family, caring for and sharing love with each other. We can learn a lot from the raccoon family's way of life. Raccoons are excellent climbers. Look at it climbing up the tree. It looks around from high places to find a safe spot. When the cold winter comes, raccoons hibernate in their warm nests. Watching raccoons live in harmony with nature reminds us that we need to cherish and protect nature. Raccoons are social animals. They strengthen their bonds by playing together in the forest. Right now, they are playing hide and seek in the woods. We've learned a lot about raccoons today. Raccoons are our precious friends and important animals that remind us of the beauty of nature. I'll come back with another wonderful story next time. Goodbye.